In this video, I will show you how to check readability with the SEO Writing Assistant in Semrush. First, go to your SEO Writing Assistant board. Once you're there, scroll down to the text box area. On the right side of your screen, you will see a list of analysis options, such as tone of voice, SEO, and originality. Scroll down until you find the readability section. Then, click on the pencil icon at the end of it to open the target readability settings. From here, you can adjust your target readability level depending on your audience or goal. For example, easier readability for blog content or more advanced for professional articles. After setting your preference, let the tool run its analysis. Once it's done, you will see your readability score along with insights on what affects it. If your result isn't what you expected, you can click on the link below that says Get Ideas for Your Headline in our topic research. This helps you find ways to improve your structure or tone. You can also manually edit your text inside the word box. Simplify long sentences, adjust word choice, or break up large paragraphs until you reach your desired readability score. And that's how to check readability with the SEO Writing Assistant in Semrush.